Hello guys, welcome to um air sign reading. Ayan, by Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ako 'yon. Take only what resonates, guys. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang ha. Meron siyang sarili niyang YouTube channel. Check mo na lang. Subscribe mo na rin. Ma-appreciate ko kung isusubscribe mo ito. Kasi friend ko yan, guys. Sobrang matutuwa din siya, no? So, sana ay suportahan na rin po siya. Siya ay nagbibigay ng personal reading. Nanggagamot din sila. Pwede kayo pumunta sa bahay nila, Calamba, Laguna. Yan. Again, this is for air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Isang shuffle na lang, ha? After nito, yan. Isang shuffle na lang. For air sign, please. Let's start your reading. Messages for air sign, please. General messages for air sign. Okay. You know, the Tower moment, Ten of Swords. Yeah, I feel like currently may mga endings na nangyayari sa'yo, especially with the Tower moment and Ten of Swords. Masakit ito, no? Pero maaaring nagturo ito ng maraming lesson sa iyo ngayon. And nare-realize mo yan with the Temperance. Tayo mo natutunan. Actually, these are three major arcanas. The Tower, the Hierophant, the Temperance. So, malaking pagbabago ang idinulot nitong ending na ito. But I feel like it is for the better. Kasi nakikita natin, with the Nine of Pentacles, this is you na may mga tao sa paligid mo na although nangyari itong ending na ito, itong mga taong ito, nandyan pa rin naman sila. They are there to support you. They are there to talk to you para pag-usapan itong bagong pagsisimula. You know, maybe regarding this past energy, natapos na, no? All you have to do is to move on. Ayan, with the Six of Swords, kailangan mo na mag-move on. Hindi mo na dapat isipin ito. With the Four of Pentacles, huwag ka magmukmok. Huwag mong isipin yung mga bagay na nawala. Bagkos, ano pa ang mga ma-achieve at makukuha mo pa. Okay? I feel like for some of you, there's something na mga bagay na gusto mong itry, pero you're not so sure about this. Anyway, tell me more messages para sa mga air sign, please. Kung merong mga nawala, merong mga dadating, I can see Ace of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. I can see new beginnings for you. And the Four of Pentacles, this new beginnings, itatry mo maging grounded. Itatry mo na wag magpakita ng any emotions or anything dito sa bagay or sa taong ito. But the Queen of Cups, this person will try to nurture you, will try na ibigay yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. I can see a friend and person na magiging mas open sa'yo. Yeah, I can see conversation here, communication sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to. And itong communication nito, this would lead into the Strength card or Leo energy. Magli-lead siya into mas matibay na connection. Ayan, with this person. Tell me more for air sign. Yeah, you do have here the High Priestess. This person, ibabalik siya sa buhay mo. This could be a soulmate. The High Priestess is someone na very spiritually developed. And I can see a lot of actions mula dito sa taong ito. So, kung hindi siya nagbibigay ng actions or hindi siya masyado nagsasalita in the past, I can see this person talking to you in the near future and a lot of actions ang nakikita natin dito. Mula dito sa taong to. Tell me more about this. Ayun. Maaaring kaya may mga taong nawala sa buhay mo because kailangan magbigay ng space with the Ten of Cups para dito sa pagdating nitong taong ito kasi magkakaroon ng conflict eh. Kung hindi mawawala itong mga taong ito in the past, kung hindi sila nawala, with the Five of Wands, magkakaroon ng conflict, magkakaroon ng problema, magkakaroon ng pag-aaway. And nakikita natin na ayaw mangyari yon, di ba? Ayaw mo naman mangyari yon. So, I feel like you need to let go of something or someone here needs to leave or umalis in order for this person na magkaroon ng place sa buhay mo. And nakakita tayo ng expansion and growth dito, especially with the Three of Pentacles and Three of Wands. And tell me more for the sign of air sign, please. I can see possible reconciliation here with the Three of Cups and the Nine of Wands. Nakakita tayo ng reconciliation with the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. And napaplano na itong person na ito with the Two of Wands na makipag-reconcile, na bumalik. This person really do miss you or already thinking about you, thinking about having this partnership with you. With the Hanged Man, matagal niya na ito pinag-isipan eh. And with the Five of Cups, I feel like kailangan mo na magkaroon ng heartbreak or kalungkutan bago niya ma-realize kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin. And then this person is willing na siyang makipagtulungan. This person willing to give you or is willing to nakakita ko na, I don't know if you do have Simian line. If you're not familiar with Simian line, tignan mo yung palad mo. This is your palad, Yung Simian line is if you do have one straight line, itong bandang gitnang ito, straight line lang siya. And yung lines mo, instead of having this heart line, this is the heart line, Itong headline lang, parang straight lang siyang ganon. Hanggang dito sa end ng palm. And yeah, pwedeng the same din sa isang palmo. So, if you do have Simian line, or maybe this person, paparating sa buhay mo, has Simian line. So, nakakita tayo doon ng reading na maaaring para sa ito, itong mga messages na to. Take only what resonates, guys, ha? So, what will happen in the near future for you, air sign? Sorry about that. You do have here the Ten of Wands. Medyo magiging mahirap para sa ito. Kasi, magiging mahirap yung pagbalik ng taong ito. With the Three of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Because, I feel like, yung pagbabalik nitong taong to, there is this person na maaapektuhan with the Emperor and the Two of Cups. Yeah, this could be yung relationship mo dito sa isa pang person. Yun yung maapektuhan with this Ace of Wands. So, may taong babalik sa buhay mo pero may isang taong hindi magiging masaya sa pagbalik nitong isang taong ito. Pero hindi niya ipapakita yun. Hindi niya ipaparamdam sa'yo na hindi siya okay. And this person is lagi siya nakabantay, nakaantabay dito sa new beginning na ito with this another person. And tell me about this. I don't know kung love related ba ito. For some of you, this is love related. For some of you, this is like a friend. Yan, ganun. Yeah. Wala lang pakialam kuno-kuno itong taong ito Wala kuno-kuno, wala siyang pakialam. Kunwari, masaya siya, kunwari okay siya, kunwari the sun is here, this is the sun, but in reality, itong person ito is the Four of Swords. Wala siyang pakialam, kunwari masaya siya, but in reality, the person is you do have a King of Cups. Emotionally, this person gusto niya mag-end kung ano man ito. With the Magician, hindi nagiging totoo itong taong ito sa pagbabalik nitong Knight of Pentacles. In reality, with the Moon, you might feel it kasi spiritually malakas ka naman kumbaga, your intuition, yung pakiramdam mo, you can feel this person. What is the truth about this person? Mararamdaman mo yun. Pero of course, wala ka lang rin pakialam kuno-kuno na kunwari as long na hindi naman niya sinasabi na ganito, ganyan para sa akin okay lang. Kasi pinapakita niya, okay lang naman, diba? So, this is you with the Knight of Cups. Accepting this Knight of Cups, you are being open with the world. Pero this could cause a lot of problem with the Three of Swords. Kasi, pwedeng maging dalawa ang maging involved sa buhay mo. Pero hindi mo alam ang gagawin. I feel like you're just going with the flow. Pero someone here is not happy. Hindi siya masaya. Ikaw, hindi mo rin naman alam. You feel like may mali, may hindi gusto ng person na ito yung pagbabalik ng isang person. Pero wala ka namang magawa. Kasi hindi naman siya nagsasalita Wala namang nihani ho sa kanya So, feeling mo okay lang. So, that's the end of your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Sana mag-comment kayo, guys. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment, like, hearts, ganyan. I love you, I love you, I love you, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.